Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Insta360 Link 2. This is an AI powered 4K webcam. Just look at the box here, got some of the features written on the side. So we've got 4K resolution. We've also got a 1/2 inch sensor. So very good size sensor in here, which will be better for low light. AI noise cancelling on the mic, and also true focus as well, so it will in fact sort of switch focus between the product you're holding nearer to the camera and then back to your face. Really great features. We've also got AI tracking on here as well, because there's a little gimbal built into the product, whiteboard recognition, smart control, so you can use hand gestures, and you also get this nice background blur as well. So let's start by taking the lid off, and we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. This is purely going to be an unboxing and first look. It's beautifully presented, as you can see here. We've got the top section with the camera in, and then this bottom section has got this really nice base. So this is like a really sturdy base for the camera. I think this is magnetic as well. It's also got a threaded mount on it, so you can in fact use this to put onto a tripod. It's going to have some angle adjustment as well, so we can sort of use this to angle the camera appropriately. So really nice mounting base for the webcam. Then further down into the box we have got some instructions here. I'm not going to take this out. This is purely some instructions about getting the Insta360 control app, also user manual, video tutorials, etc. Then this bottom section has got a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and then we've also got the cable for connecting the camera to your computer, and this is a nice length cable, USB-C on both ends, and obviously you can use that adapter I just showed you if you need to adapt this to USB-A. And then we've got the camera itself. Very nice looking camera, superior audio awaits, it says on the top here. And we've got this plastic wrap around the base, plastic wrap around the camera itself. Let's just remove this cover. So here you can see the really nice lens on here. Very good indeed. I'm assuming the microphone in the center, this is probably some sort of sensor. We've got on the top here a grill, and you can see the fact that this moves. So this is in fact a gimbal as well, so it will move on all axis. And then this part here is a multi-touch zone. So I think what this is saying is you tap it once for tracking and tap it twice to recenter the camera. Very nice indeed. And then contacts on the bottom here, which are going to line up with that base that I showed you earlier. So a really nice AI tracking autofocus web camera with a good resolution, full 4K 30 frames per second resolution. Obviously you can drop it down to lower resolutions as well. This is brilliant, packed full of features, and I can't wait to test it out. It's absolutely packed full of features, and I'm sure it will enhance your online video presentations. So that's it for this video. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. Please do subscribe to the channel, because then you'll get to see this in action in a future video. And I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you in another one very soon.